This is a demonstration on how to create a new class. Lookup values could be added or deleted at a later date. To create a new class, go to the class function by typing class on the direct command line and pressing the enter key. If a class is automatically displayed, enter a C in the action field and press the enter key. This will clear the screen of all the data from the previously displayed class. Enter an A in the action field to add a class. Enter the term. Semester codes are 2-digit year and a term code. FS for fall semester, SS for spring semester, US for summer semester. We're going to add a class for 2012 fall semester. Enter the course ID. The course will consist of the discipline, 2 to 4 characters, and a 4 to 5 digit course number. We're going to add a class for English 1012 and press the enter key. Section number. The 3-digit section number will automatically be entered by the system in sequential order. The class begin and end dates are automatically assigned by the standard dates for the term selected. For most classes, the following data will be populated from the course record: title, alternate title. Enter an alternate title for the class if the course has been approved for that element, indicated by allow alternate Y. If this had been a Y, that would indicate that you could enter an alternate title. Home college. This is the home college of the course. Credit hours. Note there is a variable flag. If the course is available for variable credit, enter the correct minimum and maximum range. Credit level and grading systems are set up for undergraduate. Enter the enrollment estimate used for room scheduling. The estimate will say is 20. Tab to the minimum field and enter the minimum enrollment. We'll say 10. Tab to the current maximum and enter the maximum enrollment. The maximum enrollment field controls student enrollment. So we'll say 20 and press the enter key. Enter the primary instructor's UCID. If the instructor is unknown at this time, enter the ID 222-22-22-22. This is for staff and press the enter key. Offer college. Offer college is the college teaching this specific class section. Put your cursor in this field and press F5. As you can see, McMicken College Arts and Sciences and Claremont College have been approved to offer this class. So we're going to say McMicken College and press the enter key. So we highlighted the college and pressed the enter key. Departments will be automatically populated by the home and offer colleges selected. The default grade type is set to N, which is normal. If the instructor plans to grade the class pass-fail, we would change the N to a P. Since this is going to be the normal grade type, we'll just leave this at N and press the enter key. Unit. Enter the instruction unit type. Press F5 for a list of the instruction unit codes and select the appropriate code. So we're going to highlight lecture and press the enter key. The unit code has been populated by lecture. Enter the class meetings. If the meeting is to be determined or will not have a specific meeting time, enter TBA in the no schedule field. That would be right here. If there are days and times, enter the days under the unit. So we'll say this class is going to be on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and enter the time in the start and stop fields. And we'll say this is going to be from 8 to 8:55. If the class meets in a room that you schedule, enter that room information in the building and room fields, otherwise leave it blank. Rooms will be assigned by the registrar's office at a later date. Campus. Select the campus where this class section will be held. This is a required field. Note, for semester classes, scheduling area A cannot be used. So press F5 to get a list of the campuses. We're going to say this is going to be offered on the West Campus. So I'm going to highlight it and press Enter. And as you can see, the West Campus populated the campus. The unit begin and end. This will automatically be populated by the term dates. The delivery mode. Select the appropriate delivery mode for this particular section. This is a required field. So place your cursor, press F5, and this will give you the list of the delivery modes. Since we said this was a lecture, we'll say this is in a classroom. So we're going to highlight and press the Enter key. The classroom or in-person meeting automatically populated the delivery mode field. Join to course. If a course meets at the same time and place as another class, these classes should be joined. Enter the course and section of the class to be joined. The class must already be ordered in UniverSIS. For example, Chemistry 1001-001 and Chem 1001-002 meet together for lecture. Section 1 will have the specific meeting information Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 8 to 8:55. Section 2 will have Chem 1001 Section 1 and the joined to course section fields. Press F11 to advance to the next panel. Class attributes. Place your cursor in the class attribute field. Press F5. This is the pool of attributes that have been approved for this class. Attributes with all equal Y will automatically be assigned to all sections. That's here. Select an attribute appropriate to this class section by placing the cursor on that attribute. So we're going to place the cursor on Service Learning. We're going to highlight this and press the Enter key. As you can see, Service Learning automatically populated the class attribute field. Section attributes. If delivery mode WB was entered on panel 2, the section attribute of DL is automatically entered here. Simultaneous registration. This has a yes/no flag set at the course level. If this had been set at Y, students can register for more than one class section of this course in the same term. Press the Enter key. You're back to panel 1, and this is displayed. If the class entry is complete and error-free, a message will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. Class 12FS, English 1012, Section 6 has been added successfully. If the class was not added successfully, note any messages at the bottom of the panel and enter the corrections. After the class has been successfully added, press F11 to advance to panel 4. This is where you'll see the class meetings. Remember, in the very beginning we had entered Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 to 8:55. This shows that this class is set up for Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 to 8:55. This will display the information that we had entered on panel 2. Advance to panel 5 to see the learning communities. The learning communities. Current maximum enrollment is 20. Actual enrollment is 0. Available learning community spaces is 0. Actual and available learning community spaces is 0. Available non-learning community spaces is 20. Total available spaces is 20. So what this tells us is that this class has not been set up as a learning community. Press F11 to return to panel 1. This completes entering a new class section.